The world is full of extraordinary natural phenomena, and few can match the awe-inspiring spectacle of a solar eclipse. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the incredible phenomenon that occurs when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun. Welcome to our fact video on solar eclipses. Solar eclipses happen when the moon, in its orbit around Earth, aligns perfectly between our planet and the Sun. This alignment casts a shadow on Earth, temporarily blocking the Sun's light. There are three types of solar eclipses: total, partial, and annular. During a total solar eclipse, the moon completely covers the Sun, revealing the Sun's outer atmosphere, called the corona. The sky turns dark, and stars become visible. It's a breathtaking sight that leaves observers in awe. The path of totality, where the total eclipse is visible, is relatively narrow. It's often only about 100 miles wide but can stretch thousands of miles long. Those within the path of totality experience the complete blocking of the Sun, while people outside this path witness a partial eclipse. During a partial solar eclipse, the moon covers only a portion of the Sun, creating a mesmerizing celestial display. The Sun appears as if a bite has been taken out of it. It's essential to use special eye protection, such as eclipse glasses or solar filters, to observe a partial eclipse safely. In an annular solar eclipse, the moon is at its farthest point from Earth, appearing smaller than the Sun. As a result, the moon doesn't fully block the Sun, creating a ring of sunlight around its edges. This breathtaking ring of fire is a sight to behold. Solar eclipses are relatively rare and occur in specific regions at specific times. They captivate people around the world, prompting enthusiasts and astronomers to travel far and wide to witness these celestial events. But remember, observing a solar eclipse safely is of utmost importance. Never look directly at the Sun during an eclipse without proper eye protection. Regular sunglasses, cameras, or binoculars are not sufficient to protect your eyes from the Sun's harmful rays. Always use certified eclipse glasses or special solar filters to view the eclipse safely. Solar eclipses serve as a reminder of the wonders of our universe and our place within it. They inspire us to explore, question, and appreciate the marvels that surround us. As we bid farewell to this enlightening journey into the world of solar eclipses, we hope you continue to explore the mysteries and splendors of the cosmos. Until next time.